Have you ever wondered about the true origins of mermaids? Forget the fairy tales for a moment. An ancient legend tells a darker story, one of beings called the Mermaid. These weren't just half fish, half human creatures. They were once celestial beings, angels who fell from grace. Cast out, they found their new home not on land, but in the deepest, most mysterious parts of the ocean. This abyss became their kingdom, a realm hidden from human eyes. But their existence wasn't peaceful. An eternal conflict rages in the depths, a fierce battle of the seas. What are they fighting for? And what secrets do the crushing pressures of the deep ocean still hold about these fallen angels? Join me next time as we dive deeper into this incredible saga. Don't forget to subscribe for more hidden legends